Today we're going to be looking at simultaneous equation, and this time we're going to be using the method of substitution in order to solve this equation. In an exam, this would probably be like a B grade to A grade, somewhere there. Alright, so we're using the method of substitution. The first thing we must look at is the value of y, because it tells us the value of y. Y is equal to 2x plus 11. So we're going to be substituting, which means that we're going to be replacing 2x plus 11 wherever y is in this equation. What I'm going to do, I'm going to label my equation 1 and equation 2. So I'm going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So this says 4y. Y is 2x plus 11. So I'm going to be replacing that y by multiplying 2x plus 11 minus 3x equals 29. So you could see here clearly where I take this y out and replace it with the value of y, 2x plus 11. Now I'm going to be expanding this bracket by clearing the bracket or multiplying it out, as we say. This is 2 times 4 is 8x, and 4 times 11 is 44, and that's a positive 44. Keep your minus 3x equals 29. So that's the next step. The other step is, this is just a regular equation, so we're going to collect our like terms. Put your like terms together. So this is 8x minus 3x plus 44 equals 29. Simplify your like terms. 3x from 8x gives you 5x. Keep your 44 plus 44 equals 29. Now remember what we want. We want to get x by itself. So to do that, we're going to be taking away 44 from this side. If you take 44 from this side, you also have to take 44 from the other side of the equal sign. So I'm going to minus 44 here and minus 44 there. This leaves me with 5x is equal to minus 15. I'm just going to write that up on the top so you could see that a little bit clearer. Alright, so now we have 5x is equal to minus 15. We want x by itself, therefore we must divide, because this is 5 times x, so we have to divide by 5 on one side. Whatever you do to one side, you must do the same thing to the other side. 5 cancels 5, so you're left with x is equal to negative 3. So that's one part where we have simplified and solved for x. The next thing we need to do is to solve for y by substituting x equals minus 3 into equation, and we usually look for the simplest or the simpler equation to substitute x into. So we're going to go to y is equal to 2. Instead of writing x, now we're going to write minus 3 times minus 3, because x is minus 3, plus 11. 2 times minus 3 is 6, minus 6 plus 11. So y is equal to minus 6 plus 11. Then we have to simplify that. Y is equal to a positive 5.